Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. This is the weekly watch list for October 23rd, 2022. Do me a favor before we begin, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, turn on the bell notification because I am starting to do live streams, right? So I went live a couple nights this previous week, so get a notification. There's no set time. I might do some mornings, I might do some mid kind of before the bell closes trading, or I might do some evening trading, live trades and all that, so you don't want to miss when I do go live. But with that being said, let's jump right into this video. This is weekly watch list for October 23rd, 2022. So this past week in the S&P Emini futures, we are starting to form a potential inverse head and shoulders, right? Here's a left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, right? Potential breakout. If this happens, right, let's grab our Fibonacci tool, okay, and just go from that low to this high and then all the way back down, and these are our targets. Now, I've been saying I wouldn't be surprised if we go up to the 4,000 level, and look at where our 61.8% is, right at the 4,000 level. So the market, very bullish action. I think the market just wants lower for right now. There are certain things that have happened overall. I don't believe it because the VIX is still high, but again, things could change. But don't forget, in the next couple of weeks, we do have a election cycle, so things can change and all that. We could see lots of volatility, but as far as what the charts are telling us, bearing any news, this is a very bullish pattern. So today, or on Friday, we were in the downtrend, bullish engulfment, took out the lows, took out the highs. This probably wants at least to get back up to around the 38, 36 level, which is the 50%. So this week, I'm going to say we're bullish. Now, we have a lot of tech companies coming out next week, earnings. We will see. Maybe the market takes down, but just something to be aware of and be cautious. Now, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Essentially the same pattern, right? Probably a rally all the way back up to this 11,730. Just things are looking kind of bullish this week after we tried to take out the lows. We couldn't, right? Kind of pushed down this whole week, nothing, and then right back up. So markets just look bullish overall. Let's take a look at crude oil. Okay. Crude oil, when we zoom out, right, kind of stuck in this pattern. If we break out back above, if we could take out these highs, we will now start to make higher highs, higher lows, right? If you kind of think about it, we were making lower highs, lower lows, took out these highs, right? Pull back. Maybe we take this out. Maybe the market and crude oil rally, which could potentially kind of be a bearish thing for the markets, right? Because if crude oil gets more expensive, gas prices go up, blah, 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 all that, and then it hurts the economy. But we will see what happens here. But probably nothing for right now. But if it does break above or holds a close above the 200 and the 50, that might be a potential buy signal. So, but first, check this out. If you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P E-mini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Okay, with that being said, let's continue. Let's take a look at Bitcoin / BTC, right? Bitcoin kind of really going nowhere. I mean, we're head and shoulders, right? We're still in the pattern. Look below and fail, right? Came and popped its head back up. Bitcoin cannot do anything right now. So with that being said, I don't know. It's just kind of watch the market. Maybe we churn for another couple weeks in Bitcoin, but really no trade there. Gold, potential double bottom, right? We could call this a double bottom here, and look at the potential divergence here. Even though this is the way it should be, it's close enough for a double bottom. Well, guess what? RSI should be way down here. It's not, it's up here. I am bullish on gold going into this week. First target would probably be this gap fill. Let's mark this gap fill right here from that day and see what happens, right? But I do like gold going into next week. Silver, nice relative, kind of bounced off the lower trend line right at the 50, kind of nice green candle. This kind of looks bullish to me. If you want hidden divergence, I know I don't talk about hidden divergence hardly ever, but here's, or actually we'll go like that. New lows here, but kind of double bottom here. So we'll see. Not a big hidden divergence, if any, but we'll see. But I am bullish on silver. Let's take a look at Apple. Nice bounce on Apple. If we kind of zoom out, look at the bigger picture of Apple, kind of came down, right? As the markets made new lows, Apple made a higher low. So very interesting. Nice divergence here. Probably a rally back up, if anything. Let's grab our Fibonacci tool, right? And these would be levels. Probably the 50 matches up with the 150, things like that. So, but Apple, Google, everybody's got earnings next week, the big tech companies. So we will see what happens there. And also remember, turn on the bell notification, subscribe to the channel, so when I go live, you can come trade live. I give education and live trading and things like that. So if you enjoy these, subscribe, like, and as always, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll talk to you soon.